Okay, we'll start again. Recall from our. I'll keep on repeating this one because this is important. Kumbaga pa, this is where everything come from. You have gamma e, no, omega e to be the integral of the Heaviside function, h minus e d mu, or we'll use the last time we used z or ano lang sa in the for the phase space because this is gamma is the phase space, and this is the cumulative phase volume. It's the volume of that for less than or equal to E. So imagine that surface, no, that volume, enclosed volume, that is the volume of that. So this is some sort of cumulative phase volume. And technically for discrete, um, this is actually just, if for discrete counterpart, this is the sum. That's why you see in books that this is summation. Okay? Because it's counting the total number of Hamiltonians that satisfies h of z less than or equal to e. This is just the count. But of course, we are in a continuous phase space, so that's why we have an integration. And omega e is the density of states. This is also called the density function, which is the what they call the Radon-Nikodym derivative of the cumulative, the CDF like this one. DE, which is, again, this is, the derivative of this one is the Dirac delta function or the delta function, D, ana. And we have the rho of E, a rho of Z, which is an element of that, to be, I think we derive this to be e to the minus beta h over z. And this is in the phase space. Okay? This is a function. Rho is a function from lambda to r. Okay? But we have also P of E, which is the the counterpart of this, the distribution function in the energy space. Okay? Which is just, this is omega e to the minus beta h over z. Okay? And yeah, this is what we have defined so far. S is equal to k, or 1 over beta ln of omega e. This is S of E, the entropy. And we also define 1 over T is equal to partial S over partial E. Okay? Okay, by the way, this is, P is the probability density. Unsay kalahian ani og kani? This is a density of states, and this is a probability, this is also a density function nga kani siya man gud. This is like, if this is the count, this is a measure. I mean, yeah, Radon-Nikodym, this is the measure. This is the derivative of that measure. Okay? Take note that in measure theory, density functions are not measured. Diba? Density functions are not measured. The measure is the CDF. And the derivative of the CDF is the derivative, is the density function. So, this means that these are not measures. This P here is not what is a measure is the probability. When you take this in the, for example, if I'm going to take the P of A, last time I think, ano na kung P of A, when A is constrained dito sa katunga certain volume, o ito yung probability. Okay? This is the density function. Okay? Or, yeah, since we are using P na lang itong gamito, no? Because in our notation, we use F on this one. In measure theory. When we were in measure theory. So P is actually a function from this energy, this space right here. What we call this one? Well, this is already R to R. But in fact, this creates altogether E, S, and so on will create another manifold. Okay? Which is no longer a symplectic manifold. So, anyway, so far mo na to ang na-define. And yeah, asa man ni siya gikan, take note that this came from, oh, by the way, omega here is omega of the system. Okay? The, balik na ko tong ano, wala na ko na, I wanted to say something. This is a count in the volume. This is a count on the surface. This is the surface, something, sa ano sa surface, no? Okay? So, anyway, saan na ta? Sige, itong isulti na ko ron. Yeah, this came from omega E and then omega of the bath. Okay? And then, we are in the, this is E naught, which is the total, minus E, which is the energy of the system. So here we use E as the energy of the system and EB as the energy of the bath, such that E plus EB equals E naught. Okay? E naught is constant. And by the way, this definition, kung tanawin ninyo, the total entropy is additive. So the entropy of the system, the in symbol, which is SE, S of E, system, this is, let's call this naught, or ESE na lang, in symbol. Okay? S system plus S of the bath. Okay? When you take the partial derivative of this with respect to, okay, this is E naught, take the derivative with this, to the system, d over dE. This is 0. And then, as you can see, EB is equal to E naught minus EA. So you will get now partial S, this is the system, or over partial E equals partial S over bath over partial E. No, not negative. Kay EB is E naught minus E man. So when you take itong partial E, okay? So, what is this? This means that 1 over T is equal to 1 over T bath. Now, take note that this is a system in contact with, this is A, or we can call this A na lang, no? We can call this a system A and system B. This is system A and system B. You can take this as the bath, or pwede ang bath nga dako. Okay? It could be that the whole bath is, the whole system is this, and the whole bath is there. This is actually the first law, the zeroth law of thermodynamics. Okay? Thermal equilibrium. Okay, so meaning this definition will give us the zeroth law of the thermodynamics. That's because of this. Okay? So, okay, anyway, this is the zeroth law. Zeroth law of thermodynamics. Okay? Okay, now we go back to katong SB, which is EB or E naught minus E, and define as this is 1 over beta ln omega E naught minus E. Okay, why do I always forget the T? There should be, ganiha kay beta ra. So there should be 1 over beta T. Okay, if I'm going to, because this is KB, tama no? In the original definition, this is K. Now, let's just use K for the Boltzmann constant. Not KB, to write it more quickly, no? So the Boltzmann constant. Boltzmann constant. So we have done this before, but I'll do it in another, murag kumbaga pa, trick nga ano, okay, we will define a new potential here. So this is in Taylor expansion about E naught. So this is S of E naught, SB of E naught minus E equals S of E naught, and this is minus E partial S over partial E. Okay? And we defined before 1 over T as partial S over partial E. This is, I think, constant N. Here, ang N natong ano is, constant. The number of particles. In the N cannot, remember that inside in our system, no escape of particles. So this is a constant N. Okay? So here, this equation now becomes, by definition of, tanaw na to, K, L, A. When we take the, okay, unsa man ni siya? This is partial S over partial E. What is this equal to? This is, kuan man ni siya, di ba? 1 over, this is 1 over, wait. Beta is 1 over KB T. So 1 over T is K beta. Tama? This is now K beta over T. Sakto? So this is K beta over T. Ay, okay, K beta. This is K beta. So what would happen to our P of E? Our P of E is E to the, omega E, exponentiate this one. This will become E to the S naught over K. Tama? And then E to the, minus beta E. But, this is in exponential form. Okay, let's call this our C. This is just our C. Okay? And this is also E to the, E to the, okay, ang sistema ni, E to the S over K. Tama? So this is E to the S of the system, S of the system over K minus, E to the minus beta E. Now, in terms of beta, what is 1 over K? That's beta T, tama? Right? So this is equal to, what's the question? This is C. This is C. This is omega E. We just write it. This is omega E. This one is omega E. This is omega E. That is C. Okay? So this is now C. E to the, this is beta T. So this is now minus beta E to the minus TS. Yeah. E to the minus TS. Yeah, dire ang ano. Later, we will be using the legendary transformation. Ano? Nga dili sa tamang ano, but I will show later that these are related when we derive the other with the legendary transformation.
Mention ka Taylor expansion. Mention mo na ba?
Oo.
Gawas ko. Ano din niya?
So, this one is our P of E. That means our Z, okay. So, okay, this is our P of E. Now, the game here is actually maximizing, what we are doing and what the books is doing is maximizing P of E. Because that's equivalent to maximizing the entropy, S. Okay? Uh, that's equivalent to maximizing the entropy, S. But then, why is it equivalent to maximizing the entropy, S? Okay? When we maximize the mo na ginabuhat nila, and what we will not go into maximization because the solution there will require you to have use Lagrange multiplier, solve the resulting Lagrange equations dito sa kuan, solve the we will not do that. Instead, we know that this one is exponential decay. This is exponential decay. And we will use this argument over and over again because we will be meeting this type, this form over and over again. Not actually over and over again, but I think next in the next. Okay? So meaning what we wish is if we let P as equal to E minus TS, then we want to minimize, so meaning maximum P of E, okay? The max of P of E is equivalent to the minimum of psi, minimizing psi. I don't know, what this is, P? Okay? And, well, you can minimize this by, how do you minimize phi? Take the, also may minimization ani. How do you minimize in terms of E? This is phi of E. Phi of E. D phi over dE, so that would be 1. This is, when you maximize that one, you have d phi prime is 1 minus t partial s over partial e. And set this equal to 0. Function of e, madini. Okay? And what do you see? T is equal to partial s over, no. Partial, no. T equals 1, so 1 over t is equal to partial s over partial e. This is, in fact, a minimization of, when we define this one, that means that's equivalent to maximizing the entropy, that definition. Because we define this, di ba? But then, this definition is actually equivalent to maximizing entropy because this is minimizing phi. So, okay? Yeah. So, unsay may tabuan ni? What's our z now? Z is integral of, mahimo na siyang, kanina lang, right? Only this. E to the minus beta phi dE. Okay? This will be our z. Wala na tong omega e because omega e is already contained in this one. Phi. And as you can see, when we maximize this one, let's call this star. Minimize, okay, where phi star is equal to phi of E star. E star is the energy that satisfies this, di ba? When you minimize or maximize, extremize, solve for, and then substitute. Okay? So, mao ni siya. Now, take note that when you integrate this one, this is just equal to some constant. Again, not that C. Let's just C lang gyapon, but C prime. Okay? Some constant C prime and e to the minus beta Kani. Okay? By the way, we define this e to the ts, we define this, the minimum, or f, let f to be equal to this. This is the free energy. Now, look at the free energy, e to the minus ts. When you have energy, entropy, the addition of energy is tendency, adding energy to the system, when you add energy to the system, what happens to the surface measure? It increases. When it increases, S also increases because the disorder increases. Because you have nganong mo increase man ang this a measure of entropy is some sort of a measure of disorder. Actually, they say that it's information. Yes, because murag, when you know the disorder, you can get the information out of disorder, something like that. So when you add addition, for example, if we only have, let's say, seven seats and then 5 people sitting on the 7 seats, you're most likely to have ordered, diba? Order, like for example, you're most likely to have 5 sitting side by side yun. Okay? And the disorder state somehow that some murag topsy-turvy siguro nga is quite small. Yeah, it's not quite rare, but it's not that many. But then if you increase the seats, you still have 5 persons, increase the seats to maybe I don't know, maybe 100, then almost every arrangement between those seats is a disorder. It's like, it's like random, When we say order, what we say is that katong maybe you have 5, all of them sitting side by side, or you have 3 and then 2. These are some sort of ordered state. So as you increase the omega, the surface measure, entropy also increases. Now we want ang nahitabo dire is that when you gain energy, when a system gains energy, okay, the number of possible the microstates increases, and so that also the possible microstates increases, so that also increases entropy. So, but not all of those part of energy will be used for the, like, increasing E is like increasing abundance. Murag ana ba? After the system, murag, like when you have all of those, you still have extra energy. After you have this increase in number of disorder, increase in disorder, you still have remaining energy, and that is what we call the free energy F. We call this the Helmholtz energy, free energy. F is the Helmholtz free energy. Helmholtz free energy, and this is defined as the minimum of, or let's define this as phi star, the minimum of that. Okay, this one is equal to this. Okay, so F is the minimum of this, but what does it tell us? Because this is in the micro states. What is it in the macro state? Okay, so kani, now when you take ln of z, what do you observe? When you take ln of z, this is on the order of ln n, and this is on the order of n. So we can neglect the ln of this. So this is just ln of, this is just minus beta phi. Right?
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
And asterisk. So that means that F must be, in order for F to be this, F must be also defined as F equals to minus 1 over beta ln of Z. The partition function. Okay? Mo ni kuan.
Nangyayagig teori ng dito sa katong relation, no?
Ang
Basta imo ra ni ang sige sense to sir katong
Ang?
minimum sa
Nga.
minimum sa
Y minimum. Dire? To maximize entropy. To maximize P of E, dapat minimum ni siya because when this becomes very large, what happens to the P of E? It becomes very small, right? So we take the minimum. Okay? So that means that F is equal to this is equivalent, logically equivalent to defining F as okay? Kani siya. That is equivalent. Logically equivalent. Or to be specific, this is the minimum of E minus TS. E. Minimizing E. Now, we will need to redefine also entropy in terms of the probability. We will redefine entropy. We'll use omega. And we'll assume omega in the discrete case. Omega is just a counting, right? So, kung sa measure, it's some sort of volume or area on that enclosing surface, which all the Hamiltonians there are equal to E. Now, we can just say that this is equal to n factorial over, di ba, the number of how many distinct the number of variations of n distinct small n you have total of n with n small n distinct objects. So you have n1 factorial, n2 factorial, and so on, right? Up to n usa ba ni? K P let's use another say nindot nga variable K m up to nm, di ba? Factorial. But then, each of these has weights P1, P2, P3. Okay? So this means that we can write this as n factorial over n P1 factorial, n P2 factorial, and so on. Again, I'm taking now the discrete case, and I will just take the continuous case later. So, ln of omega is ln n factorial minus the sum of this, right? np I factorial. Factorial dire. And we will use Stirling's formula. Stirling's formula is ln n, ln n factorial is n ln n minus n. So this means that this is minus the sum of npi factorial, n ln, sorry, there's just ln here. ln npi factorial. So n ln npi minus npi.
so ang P probabilities.
Yeah, the probability sa kana nga of this distinct kaning mga kuan. P is the probability of those n1 distinct particles, that's P1. N1 of the same type particles. You have m types of particles here with total of capital N. And this is just equal to n ln n minus n. And this is minus the sum over of n pi ln n pi. Now, this is the product, di ba? So, pwede pa ni siya ln n plus ln pi minus, no, plus the sum of n pi. But this is just equal to n, right? So, cancel and cancel. And so, this is equal to n ln n minus the sum of n times the sum of pi ln n. Sakto ba?
Plus,
Or n ln n, the sum of pi. Tama? Because,
di ba?
and then, minus
Saan ang video?
n, the sum of pi ln pi. But this is just 1. So this means that this is 0. So this is now equal to minus n summation of pi ln pi. Okay? That means, I'll erase this. Okay? Erase na ko, Kay, di na masakto diri, Okay? Lah. S now would be equal to, SB would be equal to K, Boltzmann constant, minus Kn, the sum of pi ln pi. But we are actually using the continuous phase space. Now, if you see sa mga libro, they're using the sum, nga kuan is because discretize sila, but from the very beginning, I've told you that you can change into the integration, the summation to the integral sa tanan atong mga ano nato, no? From the beginning. Now, recall that P is equal to rho dz. This is probability, not the density. Let's call this P of A. Okay, in phase space. Or so this will be ana. Okay? So that means this is Pi. This will be equal to minus Kn summation of Pi. This is now i-discretize nato siya rho I, where rho of I is equal to rho of Zi. Okay? And then this is delta. Sige ni lambda gamma. Gamma. Ln of rho I delta. So I'll write this as ln of rho I plus ln delta. Okay? And this is just equal to minus Kn sum of this is constant, so we can remove this one out, delta kani, and then you have the sum of rho I ln rho I, and then kani will be the sum of plus ln rho, delta rho, the delta gamma, summation of rho I. Tama?
Yeah.
Ay, wait. I'll put del, dire. Naman eh.
Ano na, distribute ang mismo sa mga kwan.
Ha?
Ang KL, sir,
Ha?
ang KL,
Asa?
negative KL, yung mga mag-distribute.
Ay, okay. Yeah, there's a negative kn here. Ano na lang? I'll write negative kn. So, minus kn. Saan na siya? Kn, ln, delta, summation of rho I, kane. Tama. Now, when we take the limit, S is actually taking the limit of this. This is just approximation, no? Approximate. This now becomes approximation. So, S now is, SB now would be equal to the limit as delta lambda approaches 0 of all of this. And of course, yeah, this is just integral of rho d kanisya. It's just, this is just actually, kumbaga pa, this is just 1. Okay?
Kanang delta.
So, meaning that this is just 1. This is summation of pi. Okay, this is summation of pi. We will not do this. The trick nga itong ikuan is ang ano, we will do,
Tapos nagkaroon ng tanong ng combination.
okay. Now, taking the limit of this is 0. Okay? So, this means that our S, we can define now SB to be minus Kn integral of d gamma, this is, rho, ln rho. Okay. Now, what was our rho? I erase na ako din siya. Our rho. So, rho is equal to e to the minus, by the way, this is the Shannon entropy. Okay? The Shannon entropy. Kani nga definition. This one is the Shannon entropy. Diba, this is 8 beta rho is equal to E minus beta over Z. So, that means ln rho is ln, ln ani, so you have now minus beta phi minus ln Z. Tama? So this means that this integral is minus Kn, the integral of rho minus beta minus ln Z. And then, K is 1 over beta T. So this is beta Ts equals minus N rho. Wait. May mong plus, no? So, beta N integral of rho. By the way, this is not, this is H, sorry. This is H. Sa rota. This is H. So, this is H. Okay? H. DZ. We will not use Z because of the Z here. Last time I used Z. So, confusing kayo. plus unsa ni siya karon? Kn nanay ko andira ha. Kn ln z integral of rho d gamma. And this is just the mean energy. Last meeting we defined it as E, so this is Bn E. Diba? Which was, we defined this as U, the internal energy, right? Plus, kanisha is, i-divide na to beta, be. Let's divide beta. So, kani, mawala na ni siya. Divide by beta, so this is minus NF. Yeah, there's N here, but the definition, the definition, this is not the Shannon entropy. The Shannon entropy is the entropy per particle, per trial. So meaning that this is without N right here. If we take the if we convert this SB to the Shannon entropy, we have to divide it by N. So kanilang siya. So that means that N here will vanish N, 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 N. So you have F equals U minus TS. This is the macroscopic. Sa ko niya. Okay. We'll go now to katong what happens if we can now exchange with the N is no longer constant. Okay? Meaning that our N is no longer constant. There is now N naught, which is the total, which is equal to N of the system plus N of the bath. Okay? If this happens, our omega will be En. So, erase na ako ni siya. I'll start, our E is still, E naught is still equal to E plus EB. And our N naught is equal to E plus, N plus N. But, meaning here, in this system, we can now exchange, this is now an open system. Okay? Semi-open system. Yeah, naay particles nga musulod. And what happens to our omega now? It becomes omega of En. So our omega B would be equal to omega of E naught minus E, omega B, N naught minus N. Now, our SB would be, which is K, again, the Boltzmann constant, Ln omega. So the omega of E, basta omega. So meaning our, atong expand, same ganyan ganiya, expand E naught would be equal to about this one, about E naught and N naught. So this is S B of E naught. Anong E naught man E? Sorry. E minus N minus N naught minus N. This is equal to S of E naught N naught minus E partial S over partial E at constant N minus N partial S over partial N. Okay. Plus again, dire. Okay? Remember that this is a Taylor expansion, so napay plus dire, but we neglect now the katong naa dire. So we will take this one. So, but we have another definition. So, ano na? The definition Di na palong. Dili, ma-appeal na siya sa kuan. Okay naman. We have another definition. Partial S over partial N is equal to minus mu over T. Ano yung ganyan, no? So that means that this becomes, so ganyan siya. This is beta E. Beta E. Beta E? Beta E. And then this is minus, so may mong plus. Plus mu n over T. So with this, our a shortcut na ako, but you do this one. Our P of E becomes to the E to the minus beta E minus mu n. Okay? And our Z, and since this is, ang Z na to will be the integral of E to the wala na yung omega. Na constant dire, right? There's a constant there. So this is minus beta E to the minus mu n dE. By the way, this is actually, I forgot. When we can now exchange with the environment, this now becomes the reservoir. Dili na siya bath. We take this as the reservoir. Okay? You have the reservoir. So, NR. This is what we call the grand canonical ensemble. So, maura gyapon ni siya. And now, this is, since n is variable in this one, we take the summation of this from n equals 0 to infinity, or to some, Okay, we define now another potential. How do we discuss the potential? Sa kuan magugada ginatawag na siya as omega, not the omega katong the grand potential omega. Okay, which is actually, this is T mu V. In the canonical ensemble, Z was, let's call this ZG. Okay? In the canonical ensemble, itong Z dito kay beta V, beta NV. Beta NV. Kanisha is, this is ZG of beta mu V. No. I think this is Vn. Helmholtz. Pagbalik na lang nato ni. Taas-taas pa ni bay. Pagbalik na lang nato. Ang mo man ang ano?